Well, my peeps, Heidi ho. This is my final little felt ornament for a while. I think she is adorable. Um, I saw her uh, on Pinterest, and she turned out differently than the pin that sort of inspired her. I did a lot of things differently, but basically it was this cat face on a black heart. I thought it was wonderful. So she's done, and she is going to go and join the others, but she doesn't want to wake them up because they're all pretty tired. They had quite a day, quite a night. So there we go. That's what we've got going so far. Now I'm going to be putting all this felt away. Look at this wonderful jumble of felt. Isn't that great? I just love it. I love creative chaos. Anyway, I'm going to be putting all this stuff away today because I need, gosh, I'm yawning, sorry. I need to focus on doing some stuff around the house. I need to clean. I need to get some stuff ready to take to my son next weekend. So, anywho, you can say goodbye to all the creative chaos, and I don't know what my next video is going to be about. It won't be about felt, though. It'll be about something else. Maybe we'll do cooking next. Bye.